Hello students, myself is here and now I am here to describe adjective. It is today your topic of study is adjective. First of all, definition of adjective. Adjective qualifies noun or pronoun in a sentence. So what is the function of adjective? To qualify noun and pronoun. In other words, you can say adjective is the qualifying word. Means it qualifies, adds something in a noun or pronoun. Because you can say here add plus eject is equal to adjective. So the word which adds something exact in a noun or pronoun is called adjective. Example, he is intelligent. Here he is pronoun, is intelligent. Who is intelligent? He, intelligent. So here the word he pronoun is being qualified by the word intelligent. Means he pronoun is intelligent. If you can say at the place of Ram is intelligent, means the word intelligent is telling about the Ram something more special, adding something special, and thus showing that he is intelligent, having proper and rational mind. In same way, you are fool. You is pronoun, fool is, you can say noun also, and pro here adjective also. So fool means who is fool? You. So word fool as adjective is qualifying word, pronoun you. In same way, the old man is suggesting an idiot person. The old. This word old is telling about something more about this person, man and noun. This is the noun. So ये कह रहा है कि आदमी कैसा है, तो old है, that is of aged person. So here the word old is adding something more in man noun and telling that man is of the old age, is suggesting an idiot person. Idiot person. Here person is noun again and idiot is adjective. In same way, old is also adjective. So here person is being qualified by the word adjective by saying, by adding that this person is of less intelligence, don't have logical or reasonable mind thinking in his ideas. So person is being qualified something more described by the word adjective, idiot. In same way, man is being described or qualified as being added something more in man by the word adjective old. Other examples: beautiful, old, brave, eager, etc. Like beautiful lady, beautiful scenery, old man, old horse, old lady, etc. Whatever you can say. Old age, age is noun, old is old. Brave person, brave valiant, brave fighter, brave boy, etc. Whatever you can say. Same way, eager person, boy, etc. So in this way, the word adjective, जैसे आपको आप में कहा जाए कि आपका नाम रवि है या राकेश जो भी है, कहा जाए कि यू आर इंटेलिजेंट या इंटेलिजेंट रवि, हैंडसम रवि, स्मार्ट रवि, तो जो इंटेलिजेंट हैंडसम स्मार्ट वर्ड है ये सब एडजेक्टिव है, रवि में ऐड कर रहे हैं, बता रहे कि कुछ अलग से ये है, ऐसा है, दिस सो दिस in this way we can say that adjective can be qualified can qualify its noun or pronoun by adding something more, by describing something special in the noun or pronoun and being attached with it. Rules related to adjective. First of all, that we listen later. Now, types of adjective. Types means kinds, प्रकार of adjective. 8 types, 8 प्रकार के होते हैं. Proper adjective, qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, numeral adjective, interrogative adjective, and finally exclamatory adjective. These are the 8 types of adjective, and in both 8 types, demonstrative adjective and numeral adjective, these can be divided into 2 types again. Demonstrative adjective can further be divided into 2 parts: definite demonstrative adjective, indefinite demonstrative adjective. In same way, numeral adjective also can be divided into 2 parts further: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective. And this definite numeral adjective further can be divided into coordinal and ordinal adjective. And during the explanation of one by one, I shall describe with the example. This is the type of the adjective. And now I am erasing in the line of space, in the one half space related to adjective. What is adjective? First of all, proper adjective. Proper adjective. First, proper adjective. What is proper adjective? The word proper adjective is derived, derived from proper noun, you can say proper noun, or it describes on the basis of प्रॉपर नाउन। जो प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है वह जो है प्रॉपर नाउन से लिया गया है, या इन अदर वर्ड यू कैन से कि जो प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है वह जो क्वालिफाई करता है, डिफाइन करता है, एड्स समथिंग मोर इन नाउन और प्रोनाउन, वो वर्ग जो है स्पेसिफाई करता है नाउन या प्रोनाउन को, उसको प्रॉपर नाउन के बेस पे, जैसे हम कह रहे हैं इंडिया, इंडिया इज प्रॉपर नाउन, दिस इज द प्रॉपर नाउन। बट इफ से INDIAN, Indian plus N, it becomes Indian, means the person who belongs to India, means person of India। तो ये जो है इंडियन नेशनलिटी हमारी है, हम मतलब हमारे में प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है, या हमारे इंडिया में हमें कुछ जोड़ रहा है, इंडियन पर्सन, यू कैन से दिस सेम ना। सो द वर्ड नाउन पर्सन इज बीइंग क्वालिफाइंग बाय द वर्ड इंडियन, मीन्स द वर्ड, एंड इंडिया इज बीइंग डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड इंडिया, यानी इंडिया देश है यहाँ पे नाउन, और यहाँ पे इंडियन जो है एडजेक्टिव है। दिस इज द प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, इंडियन पर्सन। सो मैं इंडियन पर्सन इज द पर्सन ऑफ इंडिया, पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू इंडिया, ये प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है। इन दिस वे आप जैसे हो इंडियन में हो गए, आप कहते हैं हिंदी में आप लोग कहते हो बिहारी, बिहार मीन्स द पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू बिहार, आप अपने इंडिया में भी ऐसे करते हो। फिर आप कहते हो बंगाली, द पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू बंगाल। उड़िया, द पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू उड़ीसा, मीन्स वह व्यक्ति जो बिहार में। राजस्थानी, यानी जो पर्सन राजस्थान इज नाम, राजस्थानी, दैट इज प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, राजस्थान नाम, राजस्थानी प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव। इन सेम वे यू कैन डिफाइन रसिया नाउन, रसियन प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, अमेरिका नाउन, अमेरिकन प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव, अमेरिकन मीन्स द पर्सन हु बिलोंग्स टू अमेरिका, अमेरिकन पर्सन, अमेरिकी हिंदी में आप कैसे कह देते हो, तो दिस इज द प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव। ओके, एंड इन दिस वे आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू। अदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस आर रसिया, रसियन, पाकिस्तानी, Afghani, means all these shows that the person or nationality of the person of this country. This person belongs to the this country. This person belongs to the this country. In this way, I think it is clear what is the proper adjective. If any doubt occurs, then no problem. But it is clear, I think.